You threaded it wrong. No worries. Step 1. Flip the bobbin and pull the upper thread from the bottom of bobbin. Step 2. Slide it between the two iron pieces of the tension screw. Adjust that tension knob, not too tight, not too loose. Tighten clockwise, loosen counterclockwise, easy fix. It happens, double check that the upper thread is going through the alignment ring. No biggie, flip that needle round, flat side facing right end, curved side to the left. Step 1. Pop in the bobbin, thread pulling clockwise. Step 2. Leave 5 inches of thread hanging out through the gap. Nice work! Always, and I mean always, turn it counterclockwise. You're re-nailing this. Before you start sewing, remember to press that presser foot down. Nice work! Turn the handwheel counterclockwise to check if the thread is smooth and the needle is ready.